Good evening. My name is Abdul Jalili, and this is the project for Team 1. The members of this team are myself, Mercy, Hakim, Sinikiem, and Riyadh. So first, let me take you through our code. This is our code. Our code comprises of both the front end and the back end. The front end was written with Vite, and the back end was written with JavaScript. So let me start our backend app first. So our backend server is running. Our database is connected to, you can see our database. And let me run our front end. So our front end is now connected to this port. So let me refresh this page now. And yeah, good. So this is our application. Sorry for that. So when a user comes to the page, a user lands on this particular screen and the user can sign up. This is our sign up form. So here on our front end code, this is our sign up function. We have on our pages route, we have the sign up, which is this. So a user can sign up here. So this is the sign up method. So basically what this this function does is this function signs in the user. You can see here, we do our validation. We check if the password is strong and we dispatch. So we are using a Redux. We're using Redux for this, for state management, because we want, because for easy state management, we're using Redux. And the challenges we faced and while using, we faced some challenges while using hooks. And we decided to go with Redux because we needed to start passing a lot of state around to different components, and it was no longer scalable. So we decided to go with Redux. So here you can see it dispatched to our Redux store. So from our code, you can see our code is a little bit organized from our front. We have our pages, we have components, we have our Redux stores, we have our routes. This is the base, oh, sorry. So this is the base, endpoint for our code. We have the main, this is the endpoint for our base entry point for our code, and we have our app.tsx. So here we have our pages, we have our state management we're using with Redux, we have our routes, we have our services where we manage all the API calls. All the API calls are made here. So for instance, let me go to the user. You can see here, we have here user sign up data, fetch user data. And let's go to the seller. Here you can see, we can create a seller from here. We go to the cart. We have our cart APIs, get cart item, add cart item, update cart, delete cart item. So basically this is how we structure our code. So let me sign up. Let's create a new user. Let me create a new user. Let me say the name of the user should be, let's say user 150. And the last name should be, let me say, Johnson. And let me say email should be user 150. And let me say user 150. Sorry, 1, 2, 4. Let me just give it any phone number and let's just sign in. So if I use a password that is not strong, for instance, it gives me password must be strong because of the validation. So here, let me use a strong password. Oh, sign up, fail to sign up. User, let me see. Oh, sorry, email is wrong at gmail.com. All right. So let's sign up. So sign up successful. You can log in now. So we can log in. Let me log in user 150. Let me log in. Login is successful. You can see now we are logged in. We are on the landing page, right? So a user can, so here you can see saying become a seller. So this is, I'm currently a user, I'm not a seller. I can go to the car, I can view information about car, I can decide to close. Why I cannot add to cart, you can see, it takes me back to the landing page. So let me become a seller, for instance. So let me say here, let me say user 150. So let me just say user 150 at gmail.com. Sorry, mail.com. Okay, let's see. Save this. So here you can see user 150 user 150 Johnson. So this is the dashboard. User 150 have not uploaded anything right now. So let us upload. We can upload a car. Let's say a car make Honda model Civic. If I choose another brand, maybe I want to buy a Toyota. I want to upload a Toyota Corolla. The year, let's say 2014. The price, let's say 34,000. The engine V6, color black. The mileage, let's say it has a mileage of 150,000. The fuel type, diesel, transmission, automatic, condition, very good. Features, let's say it's a full option. And description, let's anything here. This is a description of the car. Now, if I try to upload, I can't upload. You can see it gives me an error. Image is required. So I have to upload an image for that product. Let me see. Let me come here. Let me get an image of a car. Okay. Web class. Let's run for by product. Let me select from images. So let me select the car here. Let me select this car. Upload this car and upload. So once I click on upload, car has been uploaded successfully. So right now the car has been uploaded successfully. Let's see. You can go to the car, you can see. This is the description of the car. This is the car that I uploaded not long ago. Oh, sorry, there's an error here. Let me see. Log out. Let me log in again. Oh, okay, sorry. There's a slight bug there. Okay, so let me see. So right now, let me add a car. Okay, I like this car. I want to add a car to cart. I add a car to cart. You can see here now, there's a car in my cart here. So if I go to the cart, oh, here, so this is the item I added to the cart. It's showing one item. So let me check out. So right now I can check out from here. I can basically just try and check out and take me to a checkout page. I can fill the form here. Some of this functionality is still in progress. Then here I can select if I want to choose PayPal, and I can choose PayPal, and it can take me here. I can log in with my PayPal. So when I finishes, it takes me back to sorry, continue. Click to continue. So when I have to let me pay with credit card. So I can pay here with credit card. So because I'm using Sandbox, I can't really do much here. So let me go back to let me close this page, this PayPal page, and here, let me go back. So once I pay, you can basically just continue the process. So I think this is giving me an error. I'll try and fix this. But so basically, these are what we currently have as part of the functionality of the product. It's still ongoing. I think there's a slight bug here, which I'm going to fix now before the presentation on Monday. So basically, due to the time constraints, I'm going to stop here. Thank you very much for listening, and Have a wonderful evening.